Since my mouth speaks sense and right, and my singing is finally made, I wish with fair words gently laid to set understanding in the light of the wicked, ill understanding white, who think that a lying man is worth more than a true one, and sense they hold for a bore, and folly they hold for wisdom's way, and right they turn to a crooked door. In flight, and holds his course toward the abyss, that man who truth abhors, I wis, or who with rightness grows angry and wroth, for he builds walls and palaces bright from the right of other folks' own store, from the unknowing world says more and more. What a good path he walks always, because he is wise and growing in his lore. Just so silver in its own plight, and the burning fire turns pure and fine, so the good poor man, patient in his spine, is refined and grows holy in the light, in the burning trials of his long fight, and the wicked rich man base at his core, the more nobly he clothes himself, and each more wins in his wealth for all his display. And pain and torments roar. But of this he feels no terror or fright, for hens and partridges from his store comfort him, and the good wine he pours, and the goods that in the earth take their birth, in which he is joyous and gay and bright. Then he says to God in his reading's flight, I am poor and grieving in his poor life. And God, if he answered him, might say, you lie. He is like the eglantine in men's sight, the wicked man when he decks himself right, for on the outside he gives a fair light, and within is worth nothing quite, and it is a greater feigning than the kite that feigns itself a parrot in its might, when a false liar, base and full of spite, feigns that he is a worthy man and a knight. Himself worthy and of worth, just because he dresses nobly and eats his food, who is wicked and base and steeped in ill. But if he fed others for that same skill, he would be worth more still. He would be worth more still.